Right. Let's talk about factorization of quadratic expressions where the coefficient of x squared is not equal to 1. That's what we were doing in class. Uh, let's take the first question on page 44. And 45. We'll cover this 2 pages tomorrow in the classroom. Question number 1, 2x squared plus 11x plus 12. See that this is the coefficient of x squared when the coefficient of x squared is 2. It's not 1. So it makes it a little bit harder. Remember, that's the method we were discussing in the classroom. So first of all, let me break down 2x squared. Let me try 2x times x. So two x times x gives you 2x squared. That's the bare minimum you got to remember. And then we got to investigate the last part, the last term, which is 12. And I can sort of break it down to 6 times 2 or 3 times 4, or there are other possibilities. I can go for negative 6 times negative 2. I can go for negative 3 times negative 4. These are the pairs of factors. And I could have gone for negative 1 times negative 12 or 1 times 12. All these combinations are possible. So once you get used to factorizing and practicing number of times, you'll find it easier. Right at the moment, probably it's overwhelming. Okay, so let me try this one, 6 and 2. Remember, these are trials. It may not work. So now, well, I'm going to multiply these two. 2x times 2 gives you 4x, and x times 6 gives you 6x. Now 6x plus 4x, does it give you 11x? No, it gives you 10x. So this is not going to work. Now I might try the other combination. Remember, this is just trial and error. 2x times x, I do not change this one, but I swap the right hand numbers to 2 and 6. 2x times x gives you 12x. X times 2 gives you 2x. And if I add them together, that gives you 14x. Still doesn't work. So what I can do, if I look at the pattern and redraw those sort of kind of cross multiplication thing, I do not change anything on the left hand side. I keep it as is. I'm going to change. This one is now I'm going to try different pairs of numbers. Let me try 3 and 4. If I go for 4 times 2 is 8. So if I use that one 4, that one as 3, if I multiply along this line, that gives you 3x. And if I multiply that particular line, That gives me 8x. Remember, these are only trial and error. If I add them together, that gives you 11x. So this is the time it's going to work. So when I factorize 2x squared plus 11x plus 12, it'll give me two brackets, and along the top line is going to be 2x plus 3, and along the bottom line is going to be x plus 4. The factorization is done. Now let me change it to an equation. 2x plus 3, x plus 4 equals 0. If that is one of the questions, then the solutions will be x equals -4. See, I changed the sign. X equals -4, and that one will give you x equals, reverse the sign, -3, and divided by 2. And these are the two solutions for quadratic. I will stop there because it's getting lengthy.